Today we're going to talk about some of the most exciting tools on the market, and that is suction. We're going to compare 200E versus the VacMax backpack. So maybe you've been looking at suction for quite some time and just unsure of which units to invest in. This is a great video for you. Watch through and you'll understand. Both of these vacuum units are extremely reliable, and they're also very easy to use. You can see though there's a big difference in the units, this one being very simple. Not a lot of parts and pieces. It's a plug and play unit, primarily going to be used for slabs and maybe steps if it meets that weight requirement of 440 pounds with the largest pad. Obviously this unit, very versatile, many different options, T-handle options all the way up to machine options, picking anything from a small 6x6 paver all the way up to 862 pounds. So again, very versatile, very simple. This unit here uses closed cell pads. They're not as durable. We are coming out with a new product that will be covers for those pads. And depending on when you're watching this, those pad covers might already be on the market. 200E has a open cell foam and it's extremely durable. You're going to replace these pads probably every 3 years. You're going to replace these once or twice a year. As we close this video up, I just wanted to explain to you when and why I would use the two different units. If I was a company that had 25 plus guys, lots going on, machines are always breaking down, and I need something that's durable, very simple, so I don't have to explain too much to it, this would be my option. If I was a smaller crew, 3-4 guys, wanted something that was going to do a lot of different jobs for me, this would be my option. So use your own judgment in your companies. Now both of these units are high flow units, but if you want to learn more about porosity and which vacuum type to get, please watch that video on the screen. If you enjoyed watching this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe down below. Thanks again for watching.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.